In Champions la squadra non ha fatto alti e bassi, ha fatto un percorso eccezionale. Vogliamo provare a superare anche questo ultimo step prima di conquistare una finale di Champions, cosa che a tutti noi credo non sia mai successa. Quindi
Stefano Pioli, the head coach of the AC Milan Football Club, he used to say that the game was just so fantastic, the game was just so incredible, and he used to say that AC Milan was just, of course, they played very well, they created chances, but unfortunately enough, they did not use those chances effectively. That's why they were punished by International Milan. And of course, it's a first leg match of the UEFA Champions League, the semi-final stage. Since San Siro Stadium, as AC Milan welcomed the International Milan in this competition, and they can't wait to face them in the second leg match. And of course, of course, this was just a strike of the Chelsea Football Club, who is just now the strike of the this club. As in fact, he used to say that the game is not over. It's not over until over, as they are just preparing to face them to the next.